Welcome to our YouTube channel Score Band. Here you will get tips and tricks about how to get good band scores in exam. In this video you will learn about a sample answer of a cue card, describe a place there was a lot of noise. But before starting the cue card, we request you that, if you have any queries related to any cue card, you are free to ask us in the comments section, and we will try to solve your queries as soon as possible, and make sure to subscribe the channel. So let's get started with the cue card. Here is the sample answer. In this modern era, finding quiet places is a challenging task. Although I have visited many noisy places in my life, one of them is exceptional and worth mentioning. Last year, I visited New Delhi to take an exam. I reached out one day in advance to comfortably revise all the study material before taking my exam the next day. I booked a hotel to have a serene environment. However, my plan backfired because of the noise coming from the nearby society. The noise was due to a fight between two neighbors residing in a township near my hotel. The issue was wrong parking by one of the residents. Both individuals were hurling abuses at each other by using foul language. Initially, I ignored it, but later on, I realized that studying in such a noisy environment was daunting. I immediately called the hotel manager and told him the situation. He came to my room, and upon seeing my plight, he immediately called the local police and filed a complaint. Within 10 minutes, a policeman arrived, and they took the miscreants into custody. Due to mediation from other neighbors, both offenders apologized to each other, leaving the scene and going to their respective homes. Finally, the noise stopped coming, and I had a sigh of relief. I studied that night with determination, dedication, and discipline in a calm environment and passed my exam with flying colors. So this was the sample answer. And if you still face any difficulties, then ask your doubts in comments section.